Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Drawing cars enhances your observation skills by requiring attention to detail. It fosters creativity as you explore unique designs elements for your car sketches. Drawing cars provides a therapeutic outlet, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. It improves hand-eye coordination through precise lines and proportions. Card drawing encourages patience as intricate details take time to perfect. It boosts spatial awareness, crucial for understanding object dimensions. It enhances problem-solving skills when figuring out complex car structures. Drawing cars allows you to express your personality through design choices. It develops fine motor skills through the controlled movement of the drawing tools. It offers a sense of accomplishment as you see your car illustration come to life. Car drawing can serve as a gateway to a potential career in automotive design. It strengthens visual communication skills, aiding in conveying ideas visually. Drawing cars helps you understand the principles of form and function. It encourages perseverance as you refine and iterate your car sketches. Car drawing provides a platform for experimenting with various artistic styles. It facilitates a deeper appreciation for the aesthetics of automobile design. Drawing cars sparks curiosity about engineering and mechanics. Drawing cars hones your skills in shading and highlighting for a lifelike effect. It encourages research into historical and futuristic automotive trends. Car